Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. Today's question is, how quickly can a liquidation and bankruptcy start? I have a court date on Friday and need to do both before then. So, both can start quite quickly. A liquidation requires the directors and shareholders to have a meeting and sign the minutes of those meetings that put the company into liquidation. In practicality, it is a pack of paperwork that's typically prepared by the liquidator and needs to be signed by the directors and shareholders. So, in theory, that could happen within a couple of hours from the directors and shareholders deciding to put the company into liquidation. With bankruptcy, there's a separate pack of paperwork that needs to be completed and submitted to the government regulator. The government regulator typically takes about 1 to 5 working days to process it. So I would generally say a couple of hours plus 1 to 5 working days. Now, ideally, most people like to research the process thoroughly, ask a lot of questions, and find out all the information about what it means for them and what the consequences are. Typically, I'll say about 2 weeks would be considered quick between making a first inquiry and deciding to proceed, but if you need to do it quicker, that is legally possible.